Today I'm sharing a super fun new daily game I found. It's by Merriam-Webster and it's called Name That Thing. If you love games like Wordle but want something more visual, this is right up your alley. Let me show you how it works. So all you have to do is go to your browser and type in Merriam-Webster, name that thing. Hit search and it's this top one here. So the game is all about testing your vocabulary and powers of observation. So every day you get pictures and your job is to choose the correct word that matches the image from a list of options. It's simple, right? But sometimes the words are tricky and uncommon. So here's how to play. As you can see here, it says an arrow points to the specific thing to be named. You'll have 15 seconds to answer each question. The faster you answer, the higher the score. The harder the question, the higher the score. So I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So you'll see a clear image of an object. Below the image, you'll see 4 word options. Choose the word that best matches the image. Once you select it, tells you if you're correct, and then you just go on to the next option. There is a 15-second time limit on the pictures. You can also see your difficulty in the word at the very top here. What I love about this is that it feels super low pressure. It's a quick game you can do in a minute with your coffee, but it still teaches you something. Plus the photos are sometimes pretty obscure, so it's a good test of how well you know your nouns. For me, don't rush it too much. Take a good look at the photo and try to rule out words you don't match. Even if you get it wrong, you'll walk away having learned a new word, and let's be real, that's a win. So Name That Thing is simple, fun, and actually kind of addictive. Let me know in the comments what word stumped you today, and if you want more walkthroughs and game guides or anything techy but chill, subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.